南极熊在2024年德国 Formnext 展上看到了这个公司，这个叫德国最富有的家族之一舍费勒，收购了 Alosin 这个公司做多材料 3D 打印的，而且是多金属材料。可以看看它打印的这个录像啊，这边这个录像挺有特色的，好好看一看，好像有3个滚轴来铺粉的感觉。可以看看他们这个过程，可以近一点。可以用不同的金属粉，然后把它铺上去，然后呢再通过激光来烧。这也是非常的创新的。它可以搞3种材料上去，我估计。看看他们打印那些样件，哎，这里可以看得清楚一点。这些不太清楚是什么样材料的哦。
就是那六角扳手。
对，比较简单的一些零件。哎，果然，我们在这里呢就可以看到他们的多材料打印了。这个金属零件里面有2种以上不同的颜色，它就是不同材料组合打印出来的一个零件，而且它在内部实现不同材料的打印。这个可以看细一点，你看，这种其实在金属打印领域里面还是挺前沿的。OK， 再看看这边，他们的这些零件。Hello， Media。Okay.
If you have any questions, just let me know.
Okay. Wow. You could introduce something.
Yes. So we do multi-material additive manufacturing, which means we isolate, some properties of materials and bound materials together to combine the properties of those materials. So what you see here is a lot of copper and steel parts for the thermal dissipation or conductivity, electrical conductivity or isolation, those kind of applications that we have.
So 2 kinds of material, yeah.
Up to 3 materials. We can
2, okay.
Up to 3, yeah. We have a part over there that is 3 material, bronze, copper, and steel, I think. But you can also have like different types of steels, and then a third one which is a copper, or you can really play along with the materials.
Wow.
And yeah.
It looks so special.
Yeah, this
it has 3. You can use 3 different materials.
Exactly. Each drum is 1 material, so in this case 3.
Wow.
And we just deposit the powder into it, and we cannot really not disclose
3种不同的材料
how
都
it
可以。
works, but then we can deposit some pixels of metal, like pixels of the materials directly onto the build plates.
Okay.
Yeah, and then you can create like 2D images out of powder in just one go, and then replicate the layer after layer. Exactly.
Okay.
And then you end up with a complete part made out of multi-material.
So where are you from?
So this stand here is a Schaeffler. So Schaeffler is a German company, industrial company, already present in many markets, including automotive for bearings and gears and a lot of parts from automotive and different industries. But we are from the special machinery department, which means we provide custom solutions for specific issues of customers, like production lines, very customized production line for industrials and stuff. And more specifically, here is the additive manufacturing division. So we produce and sell the additive manufacturing machines for Schaeffler. It is based on a technology developed by a company in Belgium called Schaeffler Aerosim, because we have been acquired by Schaeffler. And we now integrate our multi-material technologies into machines developed by Schaeffler, like the one you can see over here, which is the new OmniFusion. So it will become the production system for multi-material at the Schaeffler, both for Schaeffler production lines, for their own production and services, but also for external customers. Like any customer could just come to us and ask and buy one of those machines.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Do you have any contacts or anything we could just